Hey folks, welcome back to Turbo Drive Avenue, where we break down the cars that actually fit real life. Today, we're sliding behind the wheel of the 2026 Toyota Corolla Cross, a smart subcompact crossover built for daily commutes, weekend errands, and the occasional light adventure without ever feeling out of its depth. From the outside, the fresh 2026 styling turns heads with a bolder grille, sleek LED projector headlights that automatically adjust, crisp taillights, and clean proportions that give it a planted, confident stance on the road. It's compact enough for tight city parking, yet high enough to clear a few potholes with ease. Inside, the cabin feels thoughtfully put together with solid materials, comfortable cloth, or available synthetic leather seats for 5, and plenty of head and legroom for everyday passengers. Rear vents, a practical center console, and around 24 cubic feet of cargo space behind the seats make it genuinely useful for groceries, gear, or a quick road trip. Toyota offers the Corolla Cross in L, LE, and XLE for the gas models, plus S, SE, and XSE for the hybrids. The base L keeps things straightforward and affordable, while stepping up to LE or XLE brings wireless charging, a larger touchscreen, and nicer finishes. Hybrids get standard all-wheel drive and a touch more polish across the board. Power comes from a 2.0-liter four-cylinder making 169 horsepower paired to a smooth CVT for easy, predictable driving. Or you can choose the hybrid system with 196 combined horsepower that delivers noticeably quicker acceleration and standard all-wheel drive. Either way, the ride is composed and comfortable, never harsh, with handling that feels secure rather than sporty. Fuel economy is a highlight. Expect around 32 miles per gallon combined with front-wheel drive on the gas version, or up to 42 combined with the hybrid, keeping costs low on longer drives. Tech includes an intuitive infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, while Toyota Safety Sense 3.0 brings standard adaptive cruise, lane tracing, automatic emergency braking, and more for confident daily driving. Priced to start around $25,000, the 2026 Toyota Corolla Cross delivers outstanding value as a reliable, efficient, no-drama choice for first-time buyers, small families, or anyone who wants Toyota dependability with modern crossover versatility. In the end, this is the practical, everyday hero that just gets the job done right. Refined, efficient, and ready for whatever tomorrow brings. If you're looking for honest transportation that still feels fresh, the Corolla Cross nails it. If you enjoyed this review, smash that like button, subscribe to Turbo Drive Avenue, and ring the bell so you never miss an upload. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one.